Hello, boots required. Today we're installing the RAM mount and running the power down to the battery. And if you like what you see, please remember to hit that like button and subscribe.
Dusty.
Made it through. Okay. Do you have the screwdriver bit back there? I'll just chamfer it this way.
Right here. Here you go.
Oh, I was thinking that.
No.
Oh, that bit, yeah.
Phillips bit.
I was thinking like screwdriver, like full-on screwdriver.
No.
No.
Yeah, I was there last time. Yeah, I remember that.
Milwaukee Electric screwdriver bit. Phillips.
As soon as you said that, I was like, it should still be there.
I saw this on another video, and one of the actual professional installers, I know it's not the proper tool to do this, but it made a really nice chamfer bit for the screw holes in the gel coat. Just using a regular old Phillips, if it's focusing there, bit. Now we'll swing this back into location here. Okay, do you have that hex bit back there?
Yeah, I think so. Right here. Well, silicone.
That's okay. That's the one.
Yeah, that was your last time?
Yeah. I could use an extension. Yep, that ain't gonna make her.
Extension.
Go get it. Hoping this works. I think it's big enough. I don't know.
That's the one. That'll work perfectly.
Okay. I'm sure it would.
Oh.
Oh.
That didn't work.
I got vice grips.
Did it just break off?
Yes.
That sucks.
That's why we got extra screws. So we'll take this apart. I knew it wasn't quite the right drill size, but I thought I could make it work. It didn't like it.
Too big of a screw?
Too small of a drill, but we're missing all the drills from that part of the box.
Oh, too big.
What is these vice grips?
Those are the ones you bought for the tire rod end, but they're the only ones we got down here. But they work really well. They work good.
If they're big enough.
Yeah, they got that little tip top.
That's okay. People can learn how to take it out when something happens wrong. Did you get the back decking?
Yeah.
Thank you. Appreciate that.
Scratch up the boat.
I don't know if there's a better way to do this.
Let's try another one.
Pulling up the gel coat. Easy. Pulling up the gel coat.
It's not pulling up any gel coat. Ow, that's hot. Alright, let's do the other one. Oh, grab that. That was hot. It's hot, hot. It's gonna be really hot now.
Yeah.
Smoking. Smoking. Alright, so we got some thread in there. Now we can come back and put it all back together. I thought it should have worked, but didn't like it.
I didn't like when you went in crooked to start off.
Maybe that's what happened.
Yeah, if I tried to straighten out and it didn't go well.
It's not in this.
Ray doesn't like the bugs flying around.
No, it was like one of those freaking June bug things.
Alright, try a brand new one. Right, the same hole. And where'd the other one go?
Oh,
The other one what?
I like this
Go
link.
in. Screw with the washer. There's a screw. Where's the washer?
Right here.
Oh, there's a washer. Oh, we'll do double washer on this one. Since we're only doing 3. Because that's what I got for room right there.
Sturdy.
Got plenty of meat it's into.
June bug.
Mom doesn't like my jokes.
That's good.
It's tight.
Tight.
Tight. Click.
Crack.
Alright. So now we got our lines all coming out of here. We got one more thing to install here.
This thing, right?
Yeah, that's the thing I was looking for.
It's sitting right there.
Yes, it was sitting right there.
Hidden in plain sight. Camera if I saw it.
Yeah, everybody out there is. Oh, why can't
Oh
that
my
guy
goodness.
see what we all see? No,
We going new screws or?
we're going new screws.
Okay.
We don't have anything that lines up.
Yeah.
Do you need the silicone for the old holes?
I don't know.
Yeah, I could silicone, but I mean, it's not really a sealing spot.
I really don't think
Pardon
it
me.
matters, but it's probably covered. But we can put them on there. Where's silicone at?
It is right here.
It's right on top of your toolbox right there.
Right there.
Under your hand.
I said it was right here.
And then she proceeded not to see it.
Yeah.
Be quiet, sassy boy.
And she looked right past it.
Because I had moved it.
Alright, just hold on. So I'm thinking right there. So it looks like a good spot, right?
Mm-hmm. You gonna mark it off?
Yep. Stop moving around in a boat, please. Every time you move, the boat bounces around.
That stinks.
It smells like fresh fiberglass.
Yeah.
It does. It stinks.
Whoa.
That's what I did and had a little coughing jag.
I hate the smell of that. Yeah. It smells so awful. Yeah? I thought of an ice. I thought of a pocket.
Okay.
Somebody stepped on it and the hook's bent sideways.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Oh no, it's one where the body rotates around.
The body's always end up rotating on those.
Yeah, here's a juju.
Joanne?
That's like it's stuck in fingers.
Oh.
Jeez, Dad.
I shouldn't have been inhaling this, but okay.
What? A little fiberglass.
Okay, you're probably not supposed to inhale that.
Good for your lungs.
It's the opposite.
Good for your lungs. If you want to die early.
We're all gonna die sometime.
Oh, early.
Got the goo?
Yeah. Goo.
Well, you got goo hanging out of the bottle.
What? And squeeze it.
Don't squeeze the goo.
Okay, we're gooing the old holes, even though we have a giant hole next to it. That goes right through the inside.
All
Alright,
I lost for words on that
put
one.
the cover back
I
on the
guess
goo.
that was whatever.
Got a hole this big. We're gonna worry about the little one.
Yeah, whatever. I wasn't thinking about it like that. I was just.
Okay. Oh, we didn't,
Red 'em.
no.
Tamper 'em, or whatever it's called.
Chamfer.
Chamfer.
It's not a countersink either.
Oh, we're using it like a countersink, though.
It's similar. Not quite the same though.
Seems to work pretty good, though.
I'm just saying like the way it is. It's a little small. What kind of screws are you using in this one? You use these little guys?
There was some that came with it
These guys probably.
in a little packet
Supposed to be the ones you put in the ram mount.
right there.
Oh,
Little guys. Hopefully it doesn't. Hopefully I didn't drill a hole too big.
you can put a hole in it.
That would be something.
Nah, I think you're good.
Maybe.
Hmm.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Like I knew what I was doing
These
almost.
don't really have to hold much weight either, so.
No, it's holding the cover on.
What, 2 pounds of force maybe? Maybe.
Depends what you're doing when you're going 60 miles an hour down the road.
That's a pretty protected spot, so I don't know.
All right. Next thing. Now we'll find out nothing fits.
Oh, jeez, Dad.
Oh, yeah. Either it all fits or don't
You want to
fit.
hold that for him?
I'm going to tighten the knob for him, but
Tighten the knob.
takes forever. There you go. Pick her up. That looks pretty cool. Perfect. Yeah, this thing holds tight, so.
Oh, they got a wrench that goes on it too.
Yeah.
I really want to make it tight.
I don't think we wanted that quite that tight.
I'm gonna move the camera here. Just give me
I
a
haven't been able to
second.
move it when it's that tight yet, so I don't know. Because they got that rubber coating on them, they don't move. These are the big ones too.
All right, so Dad's adjusting.
Yeah, I heard the wrench is meant for like the locking ones.
No,
It's
it
meant
works
for
for
this
these.
one right here.
It's meant for
Really?
this size, yeah.
Yeah. When you have a bigger unit on it, the
Well,
15-inch
the
unit,
14, yeah.
you know, then you got to use the wrench.
I like those on ocean boats.
Pretty snug there.
When they're pounding leaves in the ocean, yeah.
Okay.
Looks pretty nice.
Two?
That looks pretty good. Let's go from this side so you can see.
Run any.
Look at that. All the way around. Looking good. Nice and sturdy. And you'll notice he tucked all the cords back in. How'd you do that, Dad? I'm sorry, I was on the wrong side. Can you tell me how you tucked them in?
I pushed him in. I went like this. He was out, and I
Okay.
pushed it in.
Okay. Just trying to share what you did. Ray was too busy showing me the other end of the cord over here on the floor.
We'll clean them up and zip tie them underneath neatly.
Yes.
Right
Oh,
on.
that dust really gets you. Leaves a coat too, look.
Yeah. You got lots of cleaning to do.
That's really dusty.
Anytime you're working on boats, you got to do a bunch of cleaning.
That really gets you. All right.
Old plate. Now I got a black plate on there.
Looks nicer. And that little chrome thing.
Oh, looks nice.
You took away my
Ooh, a
smiley.
smiley on my boat. My
My
boat's
boat.
always got angry faces.
My boat.
Arrgh. Everybody stays away from me then. Ray's got to wax this.
Yeah, okay.
Take it off there. What's the red V on your hand?
That was for paying to go to the track meet today.
Oh. You had to pay to watch your kid run in the race?
Yep. $6.
Holy cow.
I had to pay $6 to watch him run in a race.
A JV race.
A JV race. And you had to use a card. You couldn't pay cash. But they took cash at concession stands, so it was the most stupid thing I've ever. It was very irritating. And I had to go to a different woman because they only had Apple Pay at one of the stations.
Can you reach your hand in here?
From here?
Just get the wires going this way. I should be able to grab them if you can. No, more this way.
You got him?
I got one.
Yeah, I'm going to feed him.
Hold it. Stop. You just pulled it out of my hand.
Was
Oh my
pushing,
God.
Scott. I'll start again.
Yeah.
It's okay. I can start again.
It's not okay. My hand only fits in here so much.
Well, I should be in that position then. Okay, hold on. Let me start again. Cause
Yeah, it's all messed up. Tape them together so they're bolted up. Okay. Hold on. I got them.
I feel you got them.
Okay, they're all in. Nice tape job.
Those are
Well, we'll have to get loops tomorrow, but for right now, we're going to do this. Give me a wrench.
what kind of wrench? Like that one? When you're good, you know.
Yeah, you did all right there. Almost moved.
Hush.
This is temporary.
To see if it works.
Yes.
You want your nut?
Please don't touch my nuts. The only time you want to touch my nuts is when it's going to cause problems. And you get a fuse. I gotta get a ground attached. She's back over here.
Battery compartment's a little tight.
Should just buy a bigger boat, it wouldn't be so tight. Notice no response.
Exactly. I like this boat. Do you want me to put the cap back on this thing?
Man, I don't want you to do anything right now except get that thing out of my way. Joanne, I can't see.
I took it out. I took it out. Big test to see if it works. The lid came off. The lower one. Ooh, I see a light. I can't see this great from here, but want to hold the camera? No. He's like, I'm tired. No. And we have power. So you'll get those little round clip things tomorrow?
Sometime.